Welcome to Easy English with me. Learn simple English for daily life step by step. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Easy English with me. Today we're learning numbers in English, from small numbers to bigger ones. We'll level up and learn bigger numbers, like tens, hundreds, and even thousands. And at the end of the video, you will also learn how to say a phone number in English, step by step. Speak with me, repeat out loud, and enjoy the lesson. Ready? Let's begin. Learn English numbers easily, bigger numbers, and real-life practice. All right, let's start with the basics, the small numbers. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and try to say them out loud. 0, 0. 1, 1. 2. Repeat after me. 2. 3. 3. 4. 4. 5. 5. 6. Say it with me. 6. 7. 7. 8. 8. 9. 9. 10. 10. Great! Now let's continue from 11 to 20. 11. 11. 12. One more time. 12. 13. 13. 14. Say it with me. 14. 15. 15. 16. Repeat after me. 16. 17. 17. 18. 18. 19. Try saying with me. 19. 20. 20. Well done! These are your first English numbers. Let's use them in short examples. I have 2 cats. I have 2 cats. She is 10 years old. She is 10 years old. There are 5 books on the table. There are 5 books on the table. We have 20 students in the class. We have 20 students in the class. Now, let's practice together. I'll say a number and you say it louder than me. Ready? 20. 20. 19. 19. 11. 11. 7. 7. 3. 3. 'You're doing an amazing job. Now that you know the small numbers, it's time to level up. Let's move to bigger numbers, tens, hundreds, and more. Let's go to part 2. Now we're going to learn bigger numbers. Don't worry, it's easy once you understand the pattern. Listen and repeat after me. 20. 20. 20. 30. 30. Say it with me. 30. 40. 40. 40. 50. 50. 50. 60. 60. 60. 70. One more time. 70. 70. 80. 80. 80. 90. Please repeat after me. 90. 90. 100. 100. 100. Great! Notice that most of them end with tie. For example, 30, 40, 50. That's the secret. Now, let's combine them. 21. 21. 35. 35. 47. 47. 62. 62. 99. You just made big numbers. Easy, right? Mini speaking practice. Let's practice using these numbers in real life. Now let's learn how to say a phone number in English. Here's an example. First, listen carefully. I'll say it slowly. +1 305 555 0123. Great! Let's repeat together. One more time. +1 305 555 0123. Perfect. Now, let's break it down. +1. That's the country code for the United States. 305. That's the area code. 555 and 0123. That's the main number. Remember, we always say each digit one by one. We don't read them as big numbers. For example, we say 305, not 305. Okay, now it's your turn. Repeat it again. Nice and clear. Awesome job! You sound like a native speaker. Now let's say the full sentence. My phone number is +1 305 555 0123. I live at number 42. I live at number 42. The book costs $50. The book costs $50. He is 60 years old. He is 60 years old. There are 99 people in the park. There are 99 people in the park. Hundreds and thousands. Now let's go higher. 100. 100. 100. 200. 200. One more time. 200. 300, 300, 300. 1,000. Say it with me. 1,000. 1,000. Example. I have 100 friends online. I have 100 friends online. The city has 1,000 schools. The city has 1,000 schools. Let's test your memory. I'll say a number and you say the words. Yes, great! 25. 25. You can remember, just try. Yes, it's 100. 100. 78. 78. 1,200. 1,200. Great job today! You learned how to say numbers clearly in English and how to pronounce a phone number. Keep practicing every day. The more you use English, the better you get. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me in the next lesson. See you soon!